That is pretty nice. Wow.
There's
There's even a spot for the saw. An axe. Wow. Does it work? It even reverses.
No.
That is seriously fast. What's this? What's this thing?
You take it apart and put it together. Yeah, use your tools.
That is pretty snazzy.
I'm gonna put that on here. It's pretty fancy.
That is pretty fancy. Wow, that's a nice measuring tool.
Yeah. That's fancy.
And a nut driver. Oh,